So I got my 5,000 watt Stealth Bomber clone. I was just going to show you how I put my battery in. So first step for me, got all my wires. I don't really want to hear the noise on the trails, so I'm going to kind of bunch them all up. Hall sensor, my display cable, my throttle. I don't have any brake cables for this one, at least connected. It does have it on the controller, but yeah, I think that's good. So I just wrap it up in this heat resistant and fireproof cloth. I'm just gonna shove it up there. Shouldn't be bad. Actually, I don't like how that is. Well, that's fine. All right, so yeah, now I'm just gonna grab my battery. So I just got a new battery and I have to modify my frame to mount this right here instead of the old one. But yeah, let me make sure I got the right setup here. If you do hear a spark when you plug it in, that's totally fine and normal. But always check if it's the plus and minus. Now this EVA foam that I have on the sides, all of that I want to add like a sheet, but instead of on the battery, I'm going to put it on the side panel so it's pressing into it. Let me grab. So I have this currently on my sheet, but I want to get a full one, and maybe instead of this, I think it was 5 millimeters, or maybe it's 3. I want to bump it up to 10, maybe even more. But yeah, I want to also get a sheet. So yeah, let me get that other piece of cloth. So I kind of folded it up so I can protect the top of the frame and the battery from bouncing up. So let's get that. Yeah, I'm just kind of tucking it in on the top here. I wanted to be able to remove my battery relatively easy. So yeah, we got that. On to the next one. We're gonna wrap these guys up. Try to find a nice spot for that. It's not bending it a whole lot. That one's definitely a little thicker than normal. That's just the cap. All right. Cool. So that's how I do mine. We'll put the side panel on.